In search of potential allies, researchers have delved into the world of nutrition in response to cancer's formidable threat to human health. While no single food can offer an impenetrable defense against cancer, new research has identified some foods that do so because of their nutrient content. The possibility that berries, fatty fish, walnuts, and other plant-based foods can reduce the risk of developing cancer is being hailed. This research has focused on a variety of plant-based foods, polyphenols, resveratrol, vitamin C, and other constituents. These nutrients, which are frequently praised for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, are now understood to play a part in reducing the risk of cancer. These foods offer a useful weapon in the fight against cancer, even though they cannot provide immunity. In this video, we examine a few foods that could reduce the risk of developing cancer. It also explains the scientific evidence for these assertions. Apples, the powerhouse against cancer. Perhaps there is more truth to the proverb, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away," than we previously thought. Apples have gained recognition as potential cancer-fighting superfoods thanks to their high polyphenol content. The plant compounds known as polyphenols, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and protect against cardiovascular disease, may also help prevent cancer. Apple floritin has particularly demonstrated promise in preventing the spread of breast cancer cells. Apple polyphenols may be important players in the fight against cancer because they specifically target the glucose transporter 2, GLUT2, protein, which is linked to the growth of some cancer cells. Berries, a powerhouse of antioxidants. Berries' vivid colors, from blueberries to blackberries, give away how abundantly they are in antioxidants. These little nutritional powerhouses are an appealing addition to any diet because they are packed with vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. Berries contain anthocyanins, flavonoids, and other antioxidants that may help prevent cancer or even reverse early cell changes. Various cancers, including those of the gastrointestinal tract and the breast, may be protected against by these substances, according to studies. Cruciferous vegetables, the nutrient gems of nature. The high nutrient content of cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, kale, and relatives has long been praised. These vegetables, which are rich in sulforaphane, manganese, vitamin K, and C, have the potential to be effective in the fight against cancer. A plant compound known as sulforaphane has shown to have the ability to inhibit colon cancer cell growth and promote cell death. Inhibiting the growth of breast cancer tumors has been demonstrated to be possible when sulforaphane and genistein, a soybean compound, are combined. Cruciferous vegetable consumption has been linked to a small amount of cancer prevention on a weekly basis. A vibrant defense against cancer. Carrots. The high beta-carotene content of carrots gives the dish a splash of color and may help prevent cancer. A precursor to vitamin A known as beta-carotene has been linked to immune support and a decreased risk of breast and prostate cancer. According to recent studies, eating more carrots may result in a 26% lower risk of stomach cancer. Omega-3 allies against cancer. Fatty fish. Omega-3 fatty acids are among the many important nutrients that are abundant in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and anchovies. These vitamins and minerals have been linked to a lower risk of cancer, especially colorectal and prostate cancer. Omega-3 rich fish oil consumption has been linked to a lower risk of colon cancer. Including these fish in one's diet may prove to be a delicious cancer defense. Natural breast cancer fighters. Walnuts. Walnuts contain pedunculogen, a substance that metabolizes into urolithins, and have been studied more thoroughly than other nuts. By attaching to estrogen receptors, urolithins can, in turn, prevent breast cancer. In experiments on animals, mice fed walnuts showed higher levels of genes that suppress tumor growth. Walnuts have also demonstrated promise in reducing the growth of cancerous cells, suggesting their potential as a natural cancer defense. Fiber-packed guardians. Legume. Legumes, which include beans, peas, and lentils, are prized for their high fiber content. The fiber in question may help to reduce the risk of colorectal cancer. Additionally, a study contends that eating beans fiber lowers the risk of breast cancer by 20%. We may be able to strengthen our body's resistance to cancer by consuming these adaptable legumes. Grapes. Possibilities of resveratrol. Red grape skins contain the antioxidant resveratrol, which has attracted interest due to its potential as a cancer treatment. Numerous antioxidants, such as flavonols, phenolic acids, and anthocyanins, can be found in grapes and grape seeds. These substances support the grape's potential anti-cancer effects. The possibility of using resveratrol as a cancer treatment is intriguing, but more study is required. Medications and supplements, increasing the defenses. Supplements and drugs have joined the fight against cancer in addition to whole foods. Supplemental intake of nutrients such as vitamin C, D, and E presents a potential method for lowering oxidative stress. Fluoretin, anthocyanin, and sulforaphane are substances that can be taken as pills, giving people access to their potential anti-cancer benefits. But before adding new supplements or medications to one's regimen, one must speak with a medical expert. The abundance of nature offers a variety of potential allies in the fight against cancer. Even though these substances cannot completely cure cancer, they offer a strong case for including them in a healthy, varied diet. We can strengthen our defenses against the formidable threat of cancer by utilizing the power of polyphenols, antioxidants, and other potent substances.